The dawn of a new day brings the opportunity for renewal and positivity. Starting your morning intentionally can set a powerful tone for your entire day, helping to cultivate a sense of happiness that reverberates throughout your daily activities. By integrating certain habits into your morning routine, you can create a foundation of mental clarity and contentment that positively influences your mood. The first habit to consider is incorporating mindfulness or meditation into your morning schedule. Imagine waking up and taking a few moments to focus inward. As you close your eyes, feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. This practice encourages presence and fosters a calm mindset. It allows you to set intentions for the day, envisioning how you want to feel and what you want to accomplish. By aligning your thoughts in this way, you create a mental framework that promotes happiness. Another significant morning habit is engaging in physical activity. Visualize the world revitalizing around you as you step outside. Feeling the crispness of the morning air invigorate your senses. Whether it's a brisk walk, stretching, or a workout, movement releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that enhance your mood. Your body becomes a vessel of energy and positivity, ready to embrace the challenges and joys that await during the day. Eating a nutritious breakfast is equally crucial. Picture a vibrant plate filled with colorful fruits, whole grains, and healthy proteins. Nourishing your body with wholesome food not only fuels you physically, but also impacts your mood significantly. It provides the essential nutrients your brain needs to function efficiently, improving cognitive performance and emotional stability. The act of sitting down to enjoy your meal fosters a sense of gratitude, gearing you up with a grateful mindset as you embark on your day. Lastly, surrounding yourself with positivity can significantly alter your mood. When you immerse yourself in uplifting music or inspiring literature as part of your morning ritual, you invite positive energy into your life. Visualize each note of music wrapping around you like a cozy blanket, or the words of a motivational book igniting your aspirations and dreams. This will leave a lasting impression on your mood as you navigate through your daily tasks. By adopting these morning habits, you are not just enhancing your morning, but also laying the groundwork for a happier, more fulfilled day ahead. Embrace the power of your mornings and watch how your mindset shifts beautifully throughout your day.